The MaramaTrap is a solar-powered, app-connected tool for monitoring night-flying insects such as moths. These species are powerful indicators of environmental change, yet often remain untracked. By combining simple design with smart technology, the MaramaTrap generates reliable data at low cost. This makes biodiversity monitoring accessible to scientists, farmers, educators, and communities. Anyone who needs better information to make good decisions about land use, conservation, or food production. The MaramaTrap offers a solution by turning invisible insect trends into visible data. This empowers policymakers and practitioners to allocate resources effectively, addressing environmental challenges with precision and insight. Meet the MaramaTrap, a solar-powered, app-connected tool designed to monitor night-flying insects. Its simple design and smart technology make biodiversity monitoring accessible and affordable for everyone. From scientists to farmers, educators to communities, the MaramaTrap provides reliable data for informed decision-making. It's a game-changer in understanding and preserving our natural world. The MaramaTrap is designed for scalability, utilizing solar energy and requiring minimal maintenance. This allows for the creation of large monitoring networks quickly and cost-effectively. With data streaming through a mobile app, communities can gather high-quality biodiversity data in real time, contributing to a global understanding of insect populations. Placing MaramaTraps on farms helps monitor the impact of soil health, water management, and crop practices on biodiversity. This insight aids farmers in improving productivity while fulfilling environmental obligations. For funders, this supports sustainability and resilience in agriculture, a sector central to national economies. It provides a pathway to reduce risk and improve outcomes. Conservation managers gain consistent, comparable data for better planning. MaramaTrap enables early detection of ecosystem stress and clear tracking of recovery efforts. Students can connect classroom learning to real-world science through MaramaTrap, nurturing future innovators, scientists, and environmental leaders. Local groups deploy MaramaTraps to contribute data to biodiversity databases, strengthening community ties to the land while generating meaningful science outcomes. This represents both social and environmental impact for funders, empowering communities to lead solutions and fostering a sense of ownership and responsibility. Join us in this journey. Support MaramaTrap and be part of a movement that bridges science, society, and the environment, creating a legacy of healthier ecosystems for future generations.